Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the data range and clarifying the goal. What cell or row must be returned? Once chosen, enter equals index, range, row, column into your destination cell. Use a single range like A2, D100 so formulas stay simple. Merged cells often break index, so unmerge first. If you want an entire row, leave column blank or use 0. For entire column, leave row blank or use 0. Make sure your row and column numbers refer to positions inside the selected. Once you have the basics, make index dynamic by pairing it with match so you look up by value rather than hard numbers. For example, use match to find the row number. Index A2 D100 match, key A2 A100 03. You can also feed row or column results to index when ranges shift and nest index calls to return subranges. Make sure to test edge cases. When match finds nothing, use Apparel to display a friendly message because unhandled errors stop automation. To finish, confirm the returned value and apply correct formatting. Dates or numbers often look wrong if formatting mismatches. If you expect blanks or no match, wrap index in Apparel or IFNA to supply defaults like not found. If results are shifted or #ref, double-check that your index row and column positions correspond to the same range dimensions. Mismatched ranges are the usual culprit. Finally, re-evaluate any helper match formulas. Off-by-1 errors are common. Adjust and rerun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.